Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a free Amazon affiliate store. So there are actually a lot of options that you can choose if you would want to create an Amazon affiliate store. You can use Shopify or maybe any other platform, but most of the time they do want you to subscribe to their plan and you ended up having to pay for that platform. And today I'm just going to show you one of the platforms that allows you to create the store for free. So first things first, before you want to continue and watch this video, you're going to want to make sure that you have already created your Amazon affiliate account. And in order to do that, all you have to do is search for Amazon affiliate program on the Amazon search bar, and then you will find this Amazon Associates option. So you can go ahead and click on it. And I already have my account created, but if you haven't, they're going to ask you to create one through this page right here. And then through here, you'll be able to see the promotion, you will be able to see the reports of your affiliate, and then basically you can take a look at the overview of your affiliate through this page right here. Once you're done, you're going to know that you're indeed a part of Amazon affiliate program, besides from the email that you will receive obviously, but you'll be able to see this stripe like this. And what it does is that when you go and take a look at the product, for example, let's say I want to go to this product right here, you see that we have the regular URL on top of the bar right here, and this URL will not get you the affiliate commission because this isn't your affiliate commission URL. So what you want to do is you want to go to the site stripe right here and then click on the text, and then you'll be able to get a custom URL that made specifically just for your affiliate program. So this is what you will be needing in order to create your store. So once you're done that, you're going to go to Google and then search for kit.co. Now this is the platform that allows you to create a store for your Amazon affiliate. Go ahead and click on kit.co, and then we're going to want to sign up. And you have three options. You can sign up with your Twitter, you can sign up with your Facebook, or you can sign up with your email. So I'm going to sign up with my email right here. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and create the account. Apparently the usernames already exist, so I'm just going to create a new one. All right, I got my account created, and now we're gonna go and take a look at our profile, and this is how our profile looked like for now. And you can actually add cover image if you want, so you can go ahead and download a copyright free image, whether it's from Pexels or any other platform that allows you to get copyrighted free image, or you can just create your own banner from Canva. I'm gonna try and take a look if I already have some banner that I can use. Alright, so I have this banner that I created a while back ago on Canva, and I got this picture totally copyright free. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna adjust this so that it's going to look nice and centered. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. All right, so there's my cover image, and then I'm going to go ahead and start creating the kit. So the list of the product that you're going to sell on kit.co is going to call a part of a kit. So you can start by naming your kit. For example, I am going to name my kit as, let's say, Woman in Style, and most of the product that I'm going to add here is going to be women's apparel or women's clothing. And then you can go ahead and describe your kit. So for example, I'm just going to say find your style here, and then go ahead and click on next. And now we're going to want to add our link to here. And this is why I told you earlier that you're going to want to set up your Amazon affiliate account first, because you're going to want to add the link from your Amazon affiliate into your kit. So let's say I'm going to search for a dress, Any dress will do. And I'm going to try and take a look at some dresses that looks nice, like maybe this one right here. It has quite a nice review, but I'm going to try and search for a product that have more than 4-star. So let's say I'm going to set 4 stars up as the rating. This one has more than 4-star, but I'm not really liking the style. This one looks nice, so let's say I'm going to go with this one. And then again, instead of copying the link on top of my screen right here, I'm going to go ahead and get the link from the side stripe. So I go ahead and click on this, and then for kit.co, you will not be able to use the short link. So you're going to want to click on full link, click on Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the link, go back to your kit.co and then paste the link over here, and then go ahead and click on the green arrow. And as you can see, you have the pictures added, you have the product name added, and you can totally alter the name if you feel like this one is a little bit too long. And I think that a title that is too long are not going to catch the attentions of your customer. So I'm just going to make it shorter. Let's see, I'm going to shorten it into Wen Rin mini dress white, and then you can totally add up descriptions to it. Obviously, adding description is going to catch the attentions of your customers once again, but I'm just going to go ahead and skip it for now. And here you have the options to change the front image of your product. So let's say I want to use this one, or you can also upload your own image if you want. So I'm just going to use this one and then go ahead and click add to kit. Alright, as you can see, now we got one product added, and I will suggest you to add definitely more than one. 3 is nice, 5 is better. Add as much as you can so that your store will not look too empty. So I'm just going to go ahead and add up some more product and then get back to you later. Alright, so I've added some more stuff into my kit, and this is the first kit that I have. As you can see, I now have the options to upload a card cover for my kit if I want to. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then if I click on it, I'll be able to see the whole store or the whole kit that I have. So here are the clothing that I've added, and here you'll be able to add some cover image or even video. You can add video from YouTube, or you can just upload some cover from your computer. I'm just going to use the same cover that I used earlier, so I'm going to try and search for it. Alright, so it's going to look something like this. And here are the product. So once someone take a look at your store, this is the one that they will look at. And if you would like to add some more product, all I have to do is click on add a product and then repeat the same step like I've shown you earlier. And if you would like to add a new kit, you can also just go ahead and click create a new kit and create a whole new store or a whole new collection for your Amazon affiliate. And let's test it out and let's see whether the link will work or not. So I'm going to go ahead and try to click on this button right here. And as you can see, the link thus brought me into the Amazon page. So once I got all of the product inserted into my kit.co, I tend to check on all of the link to make sure that everything works as it is. And if you would like to edit your product, for example, you will want to change the front image, all you have to do is click edit product, and then you can replace the image to however you want it to be, add some more on the description sections, or you can even add a video if you want. And if you'd like to delete the product, all you have to do is click on this delete product button, and then your product will be deleted from your kit. Now if you would like to take a look at other creators kit, you can go ahead and click on this top creators option, and then for example try to find kits that belong to other people and see how it looks like. So Here is one of the creators that already have a kit too, and as you can see, she have several kit, and if you click on one of them, you'll be able to see the product that she listed over here. So you can actually add product not just from Amazon. As you can see, she add one from Amazon, there is one from Sephora, and there's one from Walmart, etc. So you can take a look at other people's kit profile to get some inspiration on how to manage or how to design your own kit store. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a totally free Amazon affiliate store. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.